Good day, math learners! In this video, we will talk about the concept on the measurements of a circle. Let us consider the following parts and measurements of a circle. Suppose we have circle O. We have the following parts of the circle, the radius and the diameter. So we have segment OA, which is our radius in the given figure, and we also have segment BC as our diameter. Let us define first what is a radius. A radius is a segment whose endpoints are the center and a point on the circle. The measure of a radius R is half the measure of a diameter D. In symbols, we have R is equal to D over 2 or R is equal to 1/2 times D. Next part of the circle, we have the diameter. Diameter of a circle is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. The measure of a diameter D is twice the measure of a radius R. In symbols, D equals 2 times R. Let us consider the following examples. Find the diameter of a circle with a given radius. So we have the example, the given radius is 20 inches. To solve the diameter of our circle, we simply have to use the formula D equals 2 times R. Then substitute the given radius, which is 20 inches. We have D equals 2 times 20 inches, and that is equal to 40 inches. So when you write the final answer, you have to make sure that you include the unit of measurement. The next example, we have 3½ cm. So in this case, same formula is used to solve the diameter. We have D equals 2 times 3½ cm is equal to 7 cm. Another example would be 6 squared of 2 mm. Then same formula is used. So we have D equals 2 times 6 squared of 2, and that is equal to 12 square root of 2 mm or millimeters. Let's proceed to this example. Find the radius of a circle with a given diameter. So our given diameter is equal to 13 cm. So we will be using the formula R is equal to D over 2. So substitute, we have R is equal to 13 over 2, and that is equal to 6.5 centimeters. The next example would be given the diameter 10.5 meters. So simply use the given formula R is equal to D over 2 and then substitute. So we have R is equal to 10.5 divided by 2, and that is equal to 5.25 meters. Then last example, we have 5 square root of 3 millimeters. Same formula will be used. So we have R is equal to 5 square root of 3 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2.5 square root of 3 inches. Another measurement that we need to consider is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of a circle is a total distance around it. The value of the circumference C can be obtained by multiplying the diameter D by pi. In symbols, so C is equal to pi times D if diameter is given. And we also have another formula. If radius is given, we have C is equal to 2 pi times R. Let us consider the following examples. What is the circumference of a circle given the diameter 15 cm? Since the given here is the diameter, therefore we will be using the formula C equals pi times D. Then substitute the given formula. We have the given value of the diameter to our formula. So we have C equals pi times 15 cm. In this case, we will be using the given value of pi from our calculator. So do not round off the given value of pi. Therefore, our final answer is 47.12 centimeters. So for our final answer, please make sure that you have to round it off to 2 decimal places. So in this second example, the given radius is 9 cm. So we will be using the formula C is equal to 2 times pi times r. So we have here C is equal to 2 times pi times 9 cm. Therefore, C is equal to 56.55 centimeters. The last measurement that we need to consider is the area of a circle. The area of a circle is a total measure of space bounded by the circumference. It can be obtained by having pi times the square of the radius. So we have here area is equal to radius squared times pi. So if the given is radius, so we will be using the formula A equals pi times r squared. If the given is diameter, therefore we will be using the formula A is equal to pi times d squared all over 4. Let us consider the following examples. What is the area of a circle if the given radius is 3.4 meters? In this case, we will be using the formula A equals pi times r squared since the given here is radius. So therefore, we have A is equal to pi times 3.4 squared. So A here is equal to pi times 11.56. Therefore, A is equal to 36.32 square meters. The next example, if the given diameter is equal to 9 meters. So in this case, we will be using the formula A equals pi times d squared all over 4. So A here is equal to pi times 9 squared divided by 4. So A is equal to pi times 81 all over 4. Therefore, A is equal to 63.62 square meters. And this ends our lesson on the measurements of a circle. Thank you.